candidate nyo eh. Have you seen the pictures? Okay. Siyempre, we have the judges outside, isn't it?
And to present the award for Miss Photogenic, may we call on Miss Erin Ramos. With Miss Mary Sharp, Miss SBO 2007.
Okay. Palakpakan natin si Miss Mary Sharp, a pride of BAC, Miss SBO 2007. Mary, please open. Okay, the winner is candidate number 1. Okay.
Hindi nga lang ako dun yung
Surprise ka doon.
Hindi maganda ng
Julia Riza Viernes.
And to present the award for Best in Creative Costume, may we call on Miss Valerie Marshall, Miss BEC 2007 third runner-up.
Best in Creative Costume goes to candidate number 5, Princess Joy Hermosura. Casual wear.
And to present the award for Best in Casual Wear, may we call on Miss Leanne Angel Eusebio, Miss BHC 2007 Contestant, and the school's representative to the forthcoming Campus Queen 2008.
Best in Casual Wear goes to candidate number 3, Krisha Tara Jane Whiting.
Parang kanya-kanyang sigaw ng kaklase, ano? Ayan. And of course, the second to the last one ago, Best in Talent.
And to present the award for Best in Talent, may we call on Mr. Roberto Lilina, Elementary Coordinator.
And Best in Talent is candidate number 5.
Princess Joy Hermosura. Best in Evening Gown.
And to present the award for Best in Evening Gown, may we call on Mrs. Rhea Jane S. Manalo, High School Coordinator.
Micah Valdez. Okay. Best in evening gown. Micah, sigaw mo.
Best in evening gown is candidate number 1, Junia Risa Piernes. Sino kayang magiging Miss BHC 2008?
Sino?
Ano lang away, ako na lang. Kaaway-kaaway, ako na lang.
Sige, ikaw na lang yung title. First runner-up ako. Okay. Sige.
Second runner-up. Tan-tan-tan.
And to present the award for second runner-up, may we call on Miss Una Oria Buendia, Miss BHC 2007 second runner-up, Mr. Oscar Flores, and the parent or relative of the winner.
And the winner is candidate number sinigaw nyo, number 8,
Christine Barnes Echalar.
from the seniors. Okay? So, babalik na rin natin seniors going down. Ano? Okay. Ganun ba?
Ganun ba? Wait lang,
Ganun
sisip
ba?
ako.
Okay, Maida ha? Sige.
Pero parang may ano may nilagtawan.
Ganun ba yun?
Sure,
Ikaw. Oh, sige. And, can we ask the winner to stay there already? Yan, sa side. Two-step sideward. Ayan. Okay, maraming salamat.
First runner-up.
And to present the award for first runner-up, may we call on Miss Jennifer Kuhn, Miss BHC 2007 first runner-up, Professor Estrelita Corpus, and the parents or relative of the winner.
And the winner is, sabi ko kanina, senior. Now, from the seniors,
Down to candidate number
candidate number
Candidate number 3, Christian Tara Chain winning.
ano yun? Sophomore. Okay. Senior to sophomore. Parang okay. There was a big jump na miss yung junior. Anyway, they will have their DS prom. Okay.
Still alive.
Anyway, may juniors prom tayo, di ba, sa February. Oh, pwede yun. Senior, junior yun, di ba? Oh, pwede. Okay. And the title.
Miss BHC 2008.
And to present the award for Miss BHC 2008, may we call on Miss Charina Macalino, Miss BHC 2007, Architect Rosano Baradi, and the parent or relative of the winner.
And the winner is...
BHC
2008.
Nanggaling ba sa juniors?
Galing ba sa junior o galing sa
Freshman, yun na lang.
freshmen? Dalawa
Kaya
yan.
ba ng juniors ang title?
Okay, ganito yan So, ibig sabihin wala nang sophomore dyan. Kailangan galing yan sa junior o kaya sa freshman. And, sabi ko kanina, going down tayo.